Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set biometric authentication to your CashControl account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings button down below, which is the last option. After that, click on security settings in the middle of the screen, and here you can find one function only that you can turn on by tapping on this button in the right side of the screen. This is the biometric authentication function, meaning that if you log in or open the application, you will be required to use your Touch ID for local authentication, and then you will be able to use the application. If you want to turn it off, just simply go back to this section and tap on the same button so it will be turned off. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.